Make sure you hold, bro. Hold. Don't sell it. Of course, bro. To the moon, bro. Come on.
Now, if you have been a follower on my Telegram page, you realize that I have partnership with Communitas Launchpad to give out whitelist spots to people that subscribe to my channel, who follow my channel, who have joined my Telegram group. And when I make these announcements, they go out there and then people are able to join the projects on Communitas Launchpad at whitelist stage, right? So, and one of the best things you want to do is to get into a project when it's in the pre-sale phase before it goes mainstream, right? So today I'm going to be talking about MechaChain project, which is from France. It's a gaming project and it's huge because it has a lot of backing and a lot of partners, and I think it's going to make an easy 20x. That is my opinion, not financial advice. All right, so let's get to it. Let's talk about MechaChain. This is the legend, and welcome to Crypto Wealthy. Yeah, first of all, like I said, is based in France, and you can access their social media handles right from the main page, their Discord, their Telegram, and their Twitter as well. And I've shared all links down in the video description. So these are the partners they are in touch with: Coin Tribune, Ecom French, iTouch, Business Dynamite, and so on and so forth. Mecha Pilot is your next job. Assemble your NFTs to create your Mecha. All right. And when you scroll down, I like the action. When you scroll down, it starts to shoot you. A machine of distraction in the palm of your hand. Pilot your Mecha in fierce battles from your mobile. Right? That means that it's also accessible on mobile phone. At the fourth quarter of 2021, they shared this, which is a reminder at the heart of galactic conflicts. Its infinite energy potential makes the heart of Mechas beat faster. Mechanium is the cryptocurrency at the heart of the MechaChain universe. Right, so their symbol or the name of their token is Mechanium. Right, acquire it and join the foundation. And when you get the token or the Mechanium currency, you can participate in battles and reward players. You can trade and repair your NFTs. Repairing NFTs, that's nice. And receive earnings by renting your Mecha. So they have NFT rentals also incorporated to the system over here. And then from here you can buy Mechanium. Right, I think this is supposed to be the pre-sale. It's not live yet, as it's going to go live on the 18th of March. So this button, the buy Mechanium button, should lead you to a sign up page where you can sign up or sign in if you already have an account. Right, so let's go down. 1000 Genesis second quarter. So you see first quarter, fourth quarter of last year here, and then we see the second quarter of this year here. That is 2022. Which one will be yours? It describes the games, the 3D play to end game and all that. And I also like the feature that they have here. You scroll this way, it reviews this entire picture and so on. Right. Yeah, so you can spend time to read about the concept behind the game and everything. Read the full scenario, and also these are their marketing lead partners or their market leading partners. Metapad, a lot of launch pads coming on board. Playpad, Kingpad, Blockpad, but you are getting whitelist spots from Communitas Launchpad. Right, and that is why this project is being brought to you. It's being brought to you by kind courtesy of Communitas Launchpad. There's also their roadmap 2040 to 100%. You can find out whatever they are doing from every single stage of the project to the next. And then their white paper is also accessible here. We'll be going through that to check the tokenomics and all that. These are people involved in the game, and the team is docs as well. We have Frank Hubre, Roman, we have Maxim, we have Thibaut, and you can access them, their docs. You can see you can check out their profiles via the social media links that they've given. Right, so checking the white paper, first of all, very, very important. They sound a disclaimer. Their white paper, everything about the project is on a disclaimer. Make sure you are doing your own research as well. Okay, so from here we can also find out about the project. It says the player ends the Mechanium by winning battles. He is then able to trade and buy new mecha parts to become the best MechaChain pilot. The target and the market, they are looking at 18 to 52 years, 75% men, 25% women. First French speaking, then English speaking. Like I said, French based. Players who have the purchasing power to acquire NFTs are required to play. And then you see the gameplay. They share everything that is relevant to the gameplay, the modes, the modules, and so on. The platforms, Android and iOS are going to be available, virtual reality and metaverse. So it also has a metaverse aspect to the entire project. Technical roadmap, we see everything what they are trying to do for the entire year, and then the tokenomics, which is also important. The various percentages going to the various important or relevant people who are in the project. Now let's check their details on Communitas Launchpad. We see the token type is Polygon, which means you have to get Matic on your MetaMask. I'll share the link down there to connect your Polygon network to your MetaMask, and then simply make sure you have imported a USDC token from CoinMarketCap, and then you are buying some Polygon either through Binance into your MetaMask. Just paste your MetaMask address in Binance and then send Matic to your MetaMask wallet. It's as simple as that, right? So it's going to start at 70 cents, and then the first booster, this is all those, myself and those who are going to get on whitelist are going to be able to buy from the first booster 1, all right, which will be 9 a.m. UTC 18th March, and it's going to close at 1 p.m. on the same 18th March. So it's 2 days from today. Simply connect your wallet and you can do that. On Twitter, they have 154k followers, which is a lot. Also shows us that it has a great potential to moon.
Come on, bro, we're gonna be rich. Come on.
And then one of the channels has 51k, and then the chat channel itself has 86k. There are a lot of people talking about token. If you want to talk about it or find out some information that you cannot easily see or find, join the chat group and then find out what they are talking about. They also have an ICO page on CoinMarketCap, so they have quite listed but not really listed yet. So they are just on the ICO page to bring your attention to the fact that yes, they will also be doing a CoinMarketCap listing, right? So basically that's just about it. This is MechaChain project, and I have whitelist for this project. So make sure you join my Telegram page and also my call group, which is Legend KYC calls. Okay, all right, so that you qualify for whitelist. So that's about it concerning MechaChain. Do drop a like on the video and also hit the subscribe button, and let's moon together. See you in the next 100x video. Bye.